going, everybody? Back out for another camp. A couple of weeks after our last one, and I'm hoping to do a bit of a better video because the last one shouldn't even have been uploaded, if I'm being honest with you. But it was what it was. Couple of walls crossing this mountain for anybody that knows. James out and about, and shout out to him. He put us in the mood for this one, put me in the mood anyway, so he'll know exactly where it is. But we're getting the views starting to come and go just as we start. It's completely gone, but yeah, there'll be views later on. Quite a low mist running in, I think it's about 500 metres or so. The fog started rolling in, but yeah, great. Really flat pitch. Got the usual equipment out. What I do have though is a new sleeping bag, so I'll bring you back later to do a wee bit of a review on it. But got a price matched in Cotswold, which is really good. Really like Cotswold. I know Guide Doors and stuff is there, but Cotswold's sort of really friendly staff, so I like trying to give them as much business instead of online. So just sort of, I know they're not a local shop as such, but they do have a few places in Belfast, so I do like using them. But yeah, it's the extra long, so it's 220. I'm 6'2", so I think it goes up to about 6'4". Has a better sort of foot muff at the end, as they call it, so it's a bit of a box for your feet, and it's just overall a better sleeping bag. It's 1.2 kgs and it's -14. So the last one I had, I think, was a Rob sent 500 or 700. I think it was about -2 for us, for men. Like, this is -14, so yeah, I took it to the next level. But it means I can do all my winter camping with it. It's getting a wee bit cold just in the hammock, so this is going to be one that'll keep for a few years, and I'll probably sell the Rob, or else I'll keep it for my wee lad. So yeah, same sort of gear as normal. Sleeping bag, Tracology pillow, my mat, Thermarest, and then just power bank and the drone. So I've got it with me, but I don't know if I'll get it up, or the drone. And here's the noodles, a couple of bits of beer, and all my gear. There's a big man pretending to be all shy for his video. We're going to just do a bit of cooking and then do a bit of exploring, I imagine. Just hopefully a bit of the view comes out. I was hoping it came out there, just seen a break, but no. Hopefully a bit of burner or whatever we can see comes out the car maybe. But we'll bring you back later on once we do a wee bit of cooking. It's been a while since we've had these. Look what we found, and the holy noodles. We'll eat the noodles first and then tuck in that. Stuart very kindly done the look what we found. Now doing the nudes and the noodles. there we go, getting in the tent. And bottle in the ground. Keeps the bugs out. Condensation City last night. So the inner got quite a bit of a soaking. This here is all absolutely soaked. And it is basically because we're on a bit of a storm cloud. So yeah. Great night's sleep to be fair. Sleep bag, brilliant. It's actually too warm I think. Coming in the May time, so if it's minus 14 we're going to be serious bothered, but yeah. I'm glad I've got it anyway. A bit windy. I think it's through most of the night. Spin you around. Gusty enough. But yeah, we're going to the tent's about 10:30, something like that, 10 o'clock, 10:30. And no signal, so straight to bed. Woke up a few times through the night. It was still windy like this, but no, great sleep overall. Big Stuart slept well as well, so it has just went 6:30. It's 25 to 7. I think we'll be leaving here for 7. Half an hour at the most back to the car. If it's good at the car, I'll get the drone up anyway and you can see some of the views, but at the minute it's Cloud City, as they say. So here we go, all packed. Pegs and poles on the outside, and then my tent is in the stuff sack just on the top. It's going to get dried as soon as I get home, so everything's just been stuffed in, and we are now ready to head down. Nothing left except the dry spot.